video I'm gonna show you how to set up your new MacBook Pro. So if a friend of mine, if a friend of yours bought a new MacBook Pro for you and you don't know how to set up, so this video is for you. This video is for you. So over here, choose any language you want to use. So in this instance, I'm gonna choose English as main language, and then I'm gonna click the return key here. So the system will go to the next step. So over here, you can choose or select the country you are in. So in this instance, I'm gonna choose the United States. So I'm gonna scroll down until I find the United States here. So I'm gonna select this United States here, as you see, and also click on the continue here. So I'm gonna press on the continue button. So if you have an accessibility, you can choose. If you have the hearing accessibility, eye vision, cognitive, you can choose here. So in this instance, I'm gonna select not now here. I'm gonna select not now, and then I'm gonna select with the Wi-Fi I have. So I'm gonna choose the Wi-Fi, which is I can access for the moment. I will choose this one. This is my Wi-Fi. And then I'm gonna put the password. So but for you, if you don't have any internet connection available, you can choose here. This is other network option. You can select here on other option, network option, and then you can say my computer does not connect to the internet. But in my case, I'm gonna select the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna choose to connect to the Wi-Fi because I do have the internet connection available right now. So I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi password here. So alright, once you enter the Wi-Fi password of yours, click continue. Which say the data and the privacy. This is the data and the privacy. So if you want, you can read it and by click this learn more, you can learn more about data and the privacy from Apple. But in this instance, I'm gonna click on the continue button, and then this is the migration assistance. So if you want to transfer your data from old computer to newer computer, or from old Mac to newer Mac, you can select from this here selection, or you can choose from Windows PC if your data are from Windows PC. Or if you don't want to transfer your data, you can click not now. So in my case, I'm gonna select not now. And then so here you have to sign in with your Apple ID if you want to synchronize your photos ID, your photos and videos. So over here now, I'm not gonna select sign in with my Apple ID. I think I'm going to choose set up it later. For you, if you don't have an Apple ID and you wish to have one, you can select here create a new Apple ID. But if you have it and then you forgot the password, and then you can click forget Apple ID password. For in my case, I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna click on set up later because I don't want to enter my Apple ID for the moment, because this video is for demonstration purpose only. So I'm gonna click set it up later. So it will condition from Apple. So if you have enough time, you can read the term and condition from Apple. If you don't, you can click agree. Most people don't like to read term and condition. Then over here, you can enter your computer accounts. So you can choose any account you want. You can enter your full name and the account name, right? So in this instance, I'm gonna select the username I want to enter. So this is me. So over here, I'm gonna create the computer name. So I'm thinking what username to enter. So over here now, let me try to enter like Van Badres. This is a Van Badres tours. So let's take an instance as this is my full name, right? So if I click on the account name, the system automatic will create the account name based on my full name. So I'm gonna put the password, so I can choose any password I want. So in this example, I'm gonna put 1 2 3 4 5 and again 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'm gonna click the continue. But over here you see there is an image. You can choose the computer account image. When you select edit, you can see a lot of image here to choose. This image you can choose from emoji, or from monogram like text and blah blah, or you can choose from camera. So you can choose direct from camera. Over here, this is a picture of me, the one who talking, but I'm not going to select from camera or from photo. I don't have anywhere to put the photo, but in this instance I can choose from memoji. So what do I see over here? I don't know what is the best image to put right now. Memoji. Let me try on image. So on the emoji also nothing. Okay, maybe let's try to put this one, or put the same one. We'll stick with existing one here. So and also gonna click the continue button. So the hint password is optional, as you saw that I didn't put the hint passwords. So now you see that it's a creating account. The account has been created. Over here now, if you want to share your location on this computer, you can enable sharing location. If you don't, you can skip it. In this instance, I'm not going to select enable location because location service allow apps like Maps and service like Spotlight to suggest gathering and use data including your approximate location. I know that Apple care about data and the privacy of their customer, user, but I'm not going to select the enable location service because other third-party app can read my location and then can do something bad. So let's say, if you are a bad guy and then you commit some crime over the internet, people also can read your location and start tracking you. So in this instance, I'm not going to select that. I'm gonna click on the continue button. and it keep on insisting me, are you sure you don't want to select or use location service? I say don't use location service. So this is the time zone. Select your time zone. Set time zone automatically using current location, or you can choose here. As you previously remember that I choose on the United States, but I'm not in the United States right now. But I soon going to be in United States, inshallah. So what should we do now while I select? Okay, I will drag until to the Africa, because I am somewhere in Africa here. So I'm gonna find Tanzania. Yes, this is Tanzania. So I'm gonna select Zanzibar, Tanzania. This is where I will be in the near future, inshallah. But for the moment, I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm not going to select this Zanzibar, Tanzania. I'm not going to select United States, but I will select the Zanzibar, Tanzania, and I click on this continue. Help Apple and the developer improve their product and service automatically. So in this section, I have nothing to say, but I will keep it is and then click on the continue button here. On the continue button here. So weekly time report and blah blah blah. So I don't want to share my weekly time, the screen time, get inside and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna set it up later. Hey, so I'm gonna, in this section there is a Siri section. So Siri help you get things done just by asking. Siri can also make suggestions. So I can click on the continue section. So in this section you can see that there is a selection of Siri voices. So there is 5 voices. This is a voice
you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
So this is a voice 1. This is a voice
I'm
2,
Siri.
female.
Choose the voice you'd like me to.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
I'm gonna
You
stick.
can change it later in system settings.
I think I'm gonna stick with this voice 4 because sounds good to me. So I'm gonna click continue, and then we're gonna try how to set up the Siri. Hey Siri, we're gonna be asked to say like this. So if once we click continue there, we're gonna say hey Siri. The Siri can listen to us if he can understand. So hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. So if you can also skip this Siri, but I like playing with Siri. I will continue until it's finished. So he didn't quit get that. Hey Siri, how is the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Siri pretends to know each and everything about me, but she doesn't. Hey Siri, play some music. So once you finish Hey Siri, you can click on the continue button and then share the audio recording. Apple improve Siri and detection. Okay, I think they use the machine learning to read the voices and answer. I'm not sure. I said I think. So I have to set up my Apple ID right now. Apple Touch ID, computer Touch ID, or set up later. So I will put my Touch ID for the moment. So I'm gonna put my right forefinger, and then I'm gonna put it again. Place your finger and then continue. So over here I'm gonna choose a screen design, screen appearance. I can either choose the dark mode or light mode manual, or I can put it auto, so it can change it automatic according to the time set it up. So in this video I'm gonna select maybe lights. I'm gonna stick lights. I'm not saying out. I'm gonna stick is lights. As you see now, my Mac has been set up successful. So it's clean, pretty new, nothing installed in it. So everything is pretty set it up. So thank you all for this video. See you next time in this video, right? In the new video next section. That is all for this video. This is the camera section.